The World No Tobacco Day 2023, with the theme My Meghalaya, Tobacco-Free Meghalaya, was observed today in Shillong. The program assumes significance in view of the fact that incidence of cancer is already very high in the state. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma stressed on the need to create awareness among students about the deadly effect of tobacco on one's health. He also pointed out that Meghalaya needs to be made tobacco-free at the earliest. Awards were also given on the occasion. World No Tobacco Day, observed on 31st May every year globally, is a powerful reminder that we all need to fight against tobacco and protect our citizens, especially children.
Secondary School, Longstoin, to also present the awards for the
Let us continue to have our concern on this. Let us continue to work furthermore so that the message, no tobacco message, reach every nook and corner and every individual of our state. Let's choose life, not tobacco. All things, all that.